hit that subscribe button and the bell icon beside it to check out our latest videos before anyone else.
What's up everyone, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is the speed test between the Honor 9 Lite and the Honor 7X. These are the Antutu and Geekbench scores. Now I'll start the solo speed test where I open these 20 applications on both the phones individually and you can see which phone opens them faster. By the way, both the phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and all the apps have been updated to the latest versions. In terms of hardware, both the phones are powered by the same processor, but in terms of software, Honor 9 Lite is based on Oreo and Honor 7X is running EMUI based on Nougat. So even though both the phones have the same raw performance, they differ in software optimization. So let's see how they perform. So guys, Honor 7X was 9 seconds faster, which is decently fast I must say. Now let's see how they actually perform side by side. In this regular speed test, I'll open the first 16 applications on both the phones at the same time and you can see which phone opened them faster and how fast it actually is. So guys, throughout the speed test, there wasn't a huge difference between both the phones. There was just few milliseconds of difference, and if I had to pick a winner, it will be Honor 7X. But as I've said, difference between both the phones is just in few milliseconds, which is completely negligible. Now let's see which of these apps are still in memory. In this memory management round, I'll open the same set of apps in reverse order to see if they are still in memory. If they are in memory, they should open in less than a second at the same place where I left them earlier. By the way, Honor 7X comes with 4GB of RAM and I have the 3GB RAM variant of the Honor 9 Lite. Memory management test might seem unfair, but even 3GB of RAM should be sufficient to keep all these apps in memory. So let's see how they perform. Memory management is good on both the phones. With extra RAM, Honor 9 Lite will perform even better. With that said, Honor 7X was faster at retrieving apps from memory, and that's because of better optimization. with a few software updates on a 9 Lite should also be able to perform better. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What's your take on the speed test? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy either of these phones, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag ASKGREEDYTECH on Twitter, and we will try to make it as soon as possible. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to see more cool videos on tech. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.